Hey, baby. Whoa! Sorry, that was the dog. That wasn't me.
Okay, well, maybe you should teach your dog some manners.
I've been trying. He's not too smart.
Wow, did you hear what he said about you? You're pretty smart to me.
I was watching you over there.
Okay. See ya.
If we never speak again, I just want to take back what I said before about my dog not being smart. He's actually really smart. You want to get a hot dog or something? Popcorn?
Sure.
You leave for college in 3 weeks.
Not back all the time.
Uh-huh, and I'll be here. With that, we shouldn't be with each other anymore. It's not gonna work. I'm sorry.
Baby.
Are you lost? Where are you from?
I
Don't
know
be
that
afraid.
smell. It's from a long time ago.
Well, he certainly knows straight because he's got a, let's see, he belongs to him.
I hear you.
I brought your dog home.
I just want you to know that when our day goes by, that I don't kick myself for doing that.
Are you asking me out on a date?